Financial stability isn't a luxury reserved for a select few, it's a skill anyone can learn. For generations, people have struggled with money, feeling trapped in a cycle of constant financial stress. Most individuals find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, always one unexpected expense away from potential financial disaster. But what if you could break that cycle? What if you could transform your relationship with money and create a sustainable, secure financial future? This is the Finance Virtuoso channel. If you're new here, hit subscribe and the notification bell for the best money tips and tricks. The truth about money is surprisingly simple, yet profound. It's not a mysterious force working against you, but a system that can be understood and managed with the right knowledge and approach. The typical financial pattern most people follow is destructive and self-perpetuating: work, receive a paycheck, pay essential bills, spend remaining funds, and then start all over again with nothing saved. This creates a perpetual state of financial anxiety that keeps you feeling stuck and vulnerable. This cycle isn't just about numbers, it's about the psychological and emotional toll of constant financial uncertainty. Every unexpected bill becomes a source of stress, every job change a potential catastrophe. Imagine the relief of breaking free from this pattern, of knowing you have the financial resilience to handle whatever life throws your way. Changing this pattern starts with a fundamental shift in mindset. Being financially smart isn't about extreme penny pinching or eliminating all joy from your life. It's about making intentional, strategic choices that improve your financial health. This might mean finding creative ways to reduce expenses, negotiating bills, choosing more economical living arrangements, or being more mindful about discretionary spending. Consider your current spending habits. How many subscriptions do you have that you rarely use? How often do you eat out or order takeaway? These small expenses can add up dramatically over time. By making conscious choices, you can redirect significant amounts of money towards your financial goals. It's not about deprivation, but about alignment, spending money on things that truly matter to you while cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Your first real step is building an emergency fund. Think of this as your financial safety net. Aim to save 6 to 12 months of living expenses. This isn't just about having money saved, it's about creating peace of mind. When unexpected expenses arise, and they will, you'll have a buffer that prevents financial panic. Medical emergencies, car repairs, sudden job loss, these become manageable challenges rather than potential financial catastrophes. The key to building this fund is consistency. Automate your savings so you're putting money aside before you even see it in your main account. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. Start small if you need to, even 5% of your income is better than nothing. As you build the habit, gradually increase the percentage. Some months will be easier than others, and that's okay. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Index funds offer a straightforward way to grow wealth over time. They're essentially baskets of stocks that track broader market performance, providing diversification and reducing individual investment risk. The magic is in compound growth. Your money generates more money, creating a snowball effect of financial growth. Many people are intimidated by investing, viewing it as something only financial experts can do. But modern investment platforms have made it incredibly accessible. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Many apps allow you to begin investing with just a few dollars. The key is to start early, be consistent, and resist the urge to make emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Diversifying your income is equally important. The digital age offers unprecedented opportunities for additional revenue streams. Whether through freelancing, online businesses, or monetizing a skill, creating multiple income sources reduces your dependence on a single paycheck. Start small, be consistent, and continuously look for opportunities to expand your earning potential. Think about the skills you already have. Can you tutor online? Create digital content? Offer freelance services? The internet has democratized income generation in ways never before possible. A side hustle isn't just about extra money, it's about building resilience, exploring your capabilities, and creating financial options. Psychological barriers often prove more challenging than financial ones. Many people unconsciously sabotage their financial success through deeply ingrained beliefs about money. Some view wealth as inherently negative or believe financial stability is only for other people. These limiting beliefs can be more restrictive than any actual financial constraint. Recognize that money is a tool, neither good nor bad, and financial planning is a form of self-care and personal responsibility. Your relationship with money is deeply personal and often rooted in childhood experiences, cultural background, and past financial struggles. Understanding these roots can help you make more intentional, empowered financial decisions. The most powerful transformation happens when you shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. Instead of constant financial worry, you'll start seeing opportunities. Your decisions will come from a place of strategy rather than fear. The goal isn't to become extraordinarily wealthy, but to create options, security, and the freedom to make choices aligned with your values. This mindset shift isn't instant. It requires consistent practice, self-reflection, and sometimes professional guidance. Financial therapy or coaching can be incredibly valuable in understanding and transforming your money beliefs. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, consistent effort, and a willingness to learn. You'll make mistakes, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep moving forward, making incrementally better decisions. Start small, remain consistent, and continuously educate yourself about personal finance. Remember that financial education is ongoing. Read books, follow reputable financial blogs, listen to podcasts. The more you understand, the more confident and strategic you'll become in managing your money. Ultimately, financial success isn't determined by how much you earn, but by how intelligently you manage what you have. It's about creating systems and habits that support your long-term goals. With dedication, strategic thinking, and a proactive approach, you can break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and build a more secure financial future. Your financial journey is uniquely yours. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, but the principles of intentionality, consistency, and continuous learning will serve you well. Believe in your capacity to create financial stability. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. I'm curious, what's the one financial habit you're going to change this week? Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you going to start tracking expenses? Set up that emergency fund? Cancel an unnecessary subscription? Your engagement matters. By sharing, you're not just telling me your plan, you're making a commitment to yourself. And who knows? Your comment might be the inspiration another viewer needs to take their first step towards financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more practical, financial advice. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a strategy that could change your financial life. Don't forget, financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about having options, peace of mind, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Let's make it happen, together. Until next time, stay smart with your money.